Hi there, been a little bit of a break, but I'm back with a coffee. So the last few videos have been about income protection and the mistakes we make, and so I'm just going to go over those. I think what the mistake we all make is not just realizing how important our income is. I mean, it's always there. Most of us just continue on, the income arrives, we go to work, it's never a problem. But we need to sit back, and a mistake is not sitting back and wondering, well, what happens if the income does disappear, particularly if it's related to sickness or accident. Mistake, again, is that people think income protection is too expensive. Well, if you get good advice, you can structure an income protection to suit your needs, to suit your budget, to suit your requirements, and it doesn't have to be hugely expensive. Admittedly, it's more expensive than your standard life assurance policy, but then it's going to do a lot more stuff. So, overlooking your obligations that are paid with your income. So we all know our mortgage will get paid, our food gets paid, it sends our kids to school, it pays for our holidays, and we need to make sure that it's part of the mix when we're looking at our insurance, because our lifestyle depends on our income. So the mistake we make is we don't look at our income and say, hey, what happens if it does stop? Well, how do we continue to have our lifestyle? And so that is a big mistake that people make when they're putting together their insurance program. Not consulting a financial advisor is a bigger mistake when it comes to income protection, bigger than a lot of other areas of insurance, which can be far more simple. But with income protection, it is a complicated beast. And if you get it wrong, you know you've got it wrong, because you're now sick and you haven't got any income, and you know that the mistake you made was not getting a well-structured, guaranteed income stream in the event of something happening to you. So get advice. It is too complicated a product just to simply pick it off the shelf, and because it's called income protection, it'll work. It'll be too late to find when you're on claim, you're now sick and you're not getting any income. And there's too many people who have income protection. It's called income protection, but when it comes to a claim, it doesn't quite work that way. Not considering your income when you're insuring all your other assets. So we insure the car, the house, the contents, all these things, but our income is the most important. So please don't make the mistake of overlooking your income as a major asset in your lifestyle. So that's some of the things which people make mistakes on when looking at their income protection. The biggest mistake is just overlooking it altogether. Not getting advice, not understanding if they have income protection, what it's going to do for them. Don't just think, oh, I've got income protection, it's going to work. Also, don't think in terms of ACC is going to provide because I'll only ever have an accident. Long-term claims are illness related, they're not always accident related, and ACC is a very normal insurance company. They're prudent with claims management, so not all accidents even fit their brief. So a well-structured income cover which simply pays when you can't work for 10 hours or more a week is the simplest way. Get advice, get it covered, and do it well. So thank you. Have a good day. I'm enjoying another coffee. Thank you.